explore how TestMaker simplifies the process of testing and allow developers to focus on writing tests with ease. Test the following 3-step scenario of our Sprint Fit application. Quick implementation with the Knowledge Expert Pega model library and high reusability with page object pattern allows delivery of faster results in the shortest lead time and minimal efforts. The power of technology gives you the opportunity of running the test case in your favorite browser for any web UI application, without any additional tools such as WebDriver Manager, Selenoid, or Selenium Grid. Running unlimited numbers of tests in parallel is also possible. Reports from Jira plugins such as Allure and Assert that brings visibility, rapid feedback, and better business collaboration by linking test scenarios with user stories. Developers can better analyze the test results with a traceability matrix and screenshots. TestMaker transforms test management experience by providing high-quality improvements, fostering collaboration, and reducing configuration requirements and project costs.